This Vacheron Constantin Patrimony Openworked is a gently pre-owned luxury watch in very good condition by one of the oldest and most respected names in the watchmaking industry. This striking timepiece features a case, bezel, crown, lugs, and bracelet made of platinum, while the bezel sparkles with original diamonds. The case surrounds a skeletonized perpetual calendar, giving the world a look at the insides of this unbelievable horological work. Meant to be worn by either a man or a woman, this watch is powered by an automatic movement and features a date subdial, a moon phase indicator, a day subdial, and a month subdial. This is complex luxury watchmaking with stunning radiance. 300 watches. Infinite possibilities.